Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video we will see how to download and install 010 editor. So let's get started. You'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar you need to enter 010 editor download. So this is basically a hex editor software. Okay, so you will get this first link, Sweetscape software inc download 010 editor. Click on this link. Okay, over here you will get to see it is available for Windows, Mac OS as well as Linux. Okay, 64-bit download links, 32-bit download links. Okay, and also the portable version for USB keys. We are going to select this for 64-bit download link. Select this, it is going to start download of the setup file. You can see the file size over here 25.9 MB. Once the setup download is got completed, click on open. You'll get a pop-up, select yes, then click on next. I accept the agreement, click on next. Okay, over here you'll see the path where the software is going to get installed. Click on next, click on next. Okay, keep this checked. This check is for the file types which it supports .hex, and there are different options. Then if you want to create a desktop icon for this software, keep this checked. Okay, so we'll go with the default settings, then click on next, click on install. So within a minute it is going to get installed. I'll just uncheck this launch and click on finish. Okay, now this is how the icon of the 010 hex editor looks. Okay, I'm going to double click and launch this software. So it is basically a paid software, but it will work on the free trial for 30 days. I'll close this. If you want, you can just go through this welcome window. Okay, it explains a lot of features it comes with. I'll close this. Okay, let me maximize the screen. On the right side you get the workspace. You can see the files. Okay, your project. It is a complete professional tool. With the file you get all these options: edit, select, define, view. Okay, format, scripts, templates, debug, project, tools, windows, and help option. Okay, you can buy the software if you like it. In the about option you can see it comes with the evaluation version for the 30 days left, just because I've installed it right now. Okay, I'll close this. You can see the version of it. That's how the interface of the software looks. I'll close this for now. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.